The set includes the device, 2 fast batteries, a charger, gloves, and a user manual. There is a charge indicator on the batteries. The unit is equipped with a 1/4 inch hexagonal tool holder for quick changing of bits. Cover for selective screwdriving for precise work. The trigger lock button for continuous operation speeds up work. Precise adjustment of the screw depth allows accurate assembly. The set includes an automatic screw feeder for faster work. The R-PDS18-M2A screwdriver has a sophisticated and durable construction. The compact and lightweight design prevents fatigue during long-term operation. Rubberised, profiled handle increases grip and user comfort. Plugging the discharged battery to the charger, the LED will light red indicating the battery is charging. 2 lithium-ion batteries with 2.0 amp-hours capacity and a 60-minute fast charger are included into the set, guarantee uninterrupted work. The RawlCase system allows easy and convenient storage of the power tool, additional all accessories, and the possibility of connecting with other cases for easy transport.